Threading the Pfaff 1196 machine. Before you get started, make sure the machine is turned off. Look at the number machine you have. The number is on the back of the machine. This number will tell you what number bobbin case to take. You will need a spool of thread, a bobbin case, and thread scissors. Before you start, make sure your take-up lever is in the highest position. If it isn't, you will need to rotate the hand wheel towards yourself to move the take-up lever to the highest position. Make sure your stitch regulator is at 2.5 and the needle position is in the center. Ensure that none of the black buttons at the top of the machine are down. If they are down, push the small black button beside them and they should pop up again. Grab your spool of thread and put it on the spool pin. Find the end of the thread, hold it and bring it around the machine. Slide the thread underneath the small metal disc, called the tension disc. Look at the machine at eye level, you should see a metal slope. Bring the thread over the metal slope and on to the other side. Pull the thread through the first thread guide. The opening is at the bottom. Bring the thread up to the take-up lever. Thread it through from left to right. Ensure the thread is resting in the hole at the tip of the take-up lever. Slide the thread through the second thread guide. The opening is on the right side. If the machine is threaded properly up to this point, when you lift the thread, it should look like a W without any crisscrossing or twisting in the thread. To thread the needle thread guide, hold the thread in both hands like you are flossing your teeth. Place the thread above the needle thread guide. Bring your right hand to the back of the machine and swoop your hand under. The thread should get caught in the needle thread guide. It is easier to thread a needle with a freshly cut piece of thread. Use your thread scissors to cut a small piece of thread off. If you are having trouble seeing the eye of the needle, you can put a finger behind the needle to find the eye. Thread the needle front to back or away from yourself. Pull the thread through the needle. The top half of the machine is now threaded. To thread the bottom half, push on the button to remove the plastic cover. You will need your bobbin and bobbin case. Starting with your bobbin, the thread of the bobbin should be on the right side. Your bobbin should look like the number 9. Bring the bobbin case behind your bobbin and place the bobbin inside. When you pull the thread, ensure the bobbin is moving clockwise. Turn the bobbin case on the side. Slide the thread through the slit, under the plate, and resting in the hook or J. On the front of the bobbin case there is a handle. When this handle is fully engaged, the bobbin will not fall out of the bobbin case. Hold the handle of the bobbin case and make sure the opening is facing up. Slide the bobbin case into the machine. Gently push the bobbin case to make sure it is fully in. You should clearly see the metal pin in the center. The final step. Hold the top thread with your left hand. With your right hand, move the hand wheel towards yourself and watch the take-up lever go down and back up once. Pull the top thread and you should see a loop from the bottom appear at the top. Use your thread scissors to sweep underneath the presser foot and pull the bottom thread fully to the top of the machine. Place the plastic cover back on the machine. Your machine is now fully threaded and ready to sew. Unthreading the Pfaff 1196 machine. Make sure the presser foot is up before you start to unthread. The presser foot lever is at the back of the machine. When the lever is up, the presser foot will be up. When the lever is down, it will bring the presser foot down. You also want to make sure the take-up lever is in the highest position. Remove the plastic cover by pushing the button. Grab the handle of the bobbin case and pull the bobbin case out of the machine. Release the handle and the bobbin should fall out of the bobbin case. Pull the bobbin and bobbin case apart. Take the spool of thread off the spool pin and pull the thread out of the machine. Wrap the thread around the spool. Don't forget to return your bobbin case.